Okay, so in this box is something truly amazing. I just got this from FedEx today. So why don't we just find out what's in this beautiful box? And this box is from Japan. It's my favorite place to buy stuff from. So let's check it out. Check this out, guys. Ooh, I love Japanese newspapers. Every time I get my stuff packed with Japanese newspapers, it brings me so much joy. I don't know why. I mean, I cannot read Japanese, but it's just so awesome just seeing something from another country. I love Japanese. Anything Japanese I love. So, anyways, here we go. It's really well packed. And what do you think this is, guys? What are your guesses? It's certainly not what you think it is, okay? Alrighty. It's certainly smaller than I thought it would be. And this is a really cool piece of technology. Let's move this. This, my friends, is a mini disc deck. It has a CD player built in as well. So it's just amazing. The good thing about this is that it comes with a built-in amplifier. And it comes with a ton of inputs that you can plug in extra stuff. So this really cute unit can be like a really cool self-contained stereo system. What I plan to do is I have some uh, speakers that I'm going to pair up with this, and I'll show that in another video. But this is the beautiful mini disc player with it also plays CDs as well. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I got this really cool gift from the seller as well. This is awesome. I love Japanese sellers. And last but not the least, it comes with a remote. Wonderful.